Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel European Fashion Hairstyles. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I'll show you trendy haircuts and hair dye ideas all over the world which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts and hair colors, friends, then watch my video till the end and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new videos. So guys, in this video I'm showing you feathered bob haircut. Guys, this haircut is so convenient to wear in summers. As you guys seen in the video, short hairs are so pretty and too convenient to wear in summers and in winters too. As you guys seen in the pictures, this is very pretty haircut for every face shape, and it is so convenient and easy to handle. Guys, this is very informative video for every girl who like to handle short hairs. So guys, watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any haircut or hair dye idea. And if you want to get this haircut, take a screenshot of a haircut or hair color which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this haircut or hair dye from any parlor. Guys, watch my video till the end. This is very informative video for you. Guys, after watching the video, you must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts and hair colors which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting on me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And if you like my videos, friends, then share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts and hair colors. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new video. Guys, please share my videos with your social media accounts, with your friends, with your family members, and please support my channel.